If you are a CA student and planning for December 21 exams, listen to me very carefully. I'm going to tell you about 5 things that you must avoid during this last 1 month before your exams. Hey everyone, this is CA Vipul Dhal. I'm an All India ranker in CA Finals and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is very important to stay focused during this time because your hard work of last 6 months would be tested in 3 hours. So you better be prepared. इसलिए इन 5 चीजों को त्याग देना अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रहा हूं. फर्स्ट थिंग, योर फोन. एक ऐसा यंत्र जिससे हर स्टूडेंट को बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यार है, लेकिन जिसके प्रयोग से 1 या 2 घंटे कहां चले जाते हैं पता ही नहीं लगता. गाइस, सीरियसली, it is not the best time to waste your time right now. Set your time limits that you are going to use your phone for 30 minutes or 1 hour during a day. It is your future we are talking about right now. So please be serious about it. Second thing, television. It also includes Amazon, Netflix and all other video streaming apps. Guys, your eyes are already strained. But of course, only if you are studying seriously for your exams. So don't strain them further by watching the shows that you can watch even after your exams. Please fix a time limit for watching television also, like 1 hour or 30 minutes during a day, and adhere to that time limit. Third thing, peer-to-peer comparison. तुम क्यों कंपेयर करते हो खुद को सबसे? सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन और सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट सीखो ना. Stop comparing yourselves and getting demotivated after that. If you really want to be successful in life, set your own targets. Let's say a rank in CA Inter or CA Final. Now look for people who have already got a rank in CA Inter or CA Final. Learn from them. Ask from them what have they done in the past to achieve that level of success. And that is how you are actually going to be successful. Fourth thing, study from multiple authors' book in the name of practice. This is the worst thing that any student can do during the last 1 month before your exams. अगर ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हो तो please रुक जाओ. So please avoid it. Refer only to the study material that has been provided to you by your teacher. If you want to practice, then refer to ICAI past year examinations, ICAI's RTPs and MTPs, and only to the module that your teacher has provided you. Fifth thing, procrastination. कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परले होगा, बहुरी करेगा कब. Now, this is not the right time to procrastinate your tasks. It is high time, guys, that you concentrate on your studies and complete the task in hand during the same day in which you have taken up that task. Anything that is left today will only create pressure before your exams, and this comes from my personal experience. There was only one chapter that I left in income tax paper in my CA finals, and that one chapter created a lot of pressure in one day before my exam. So my strong recommendation would be that complete your course right now when you have time. Don't leave anything for the last moment. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, then please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to appreciate our efforts. In case you have any doubts, please feel free to post it in the comment section below. I will make another video providing the solution to your query. Thank you so much for watching.